Dear students of class 7, how are you? Hope that you are well, and today I am back again before you with another class, and it is on article. Dear students, do you know what is article? Actually, we can say that a, an or these three things together are called article. And why these articles are used, do you know? Yes, you know. Actually, a noun, whether definite or indefinite, if you want to identify is the noun definite or is the noun indefinite, when you will write the answer of this, then you must use article. And here a, an or thus three are articles. If you want to identify any indefinite noun, then you will use a or an before that noun. Here I have a bag. I have a bag. Here the bag is not definite. I have different types of bag, but I have not fixed here, or I have not identified here which bag I have brought here. So I have a bag. Here bag is not definite, it is indefinite. That's why I have used here a before this noun. Okay, যেমন I have seen dash elephant or an elephant. Here an elephant, or which elephant? Elephant is not definite here. That's why we should use an before this noun. Dear students, you know, if you identify any indefinite noun, then you have to place a or an before that noun. On the other hand, if you want to identify any definite noun, then you should use the before that noun. Here the sun rises in the east. Here the sun is fixed here. It is definite noun. That's why I have used the article before that noun. Clear? So why we use articles? Actually, we use article to identify the noun, whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Clear? Now come to the point. In your exam question, there will be given some fill in the gaps to fill up, okay? And there you have to write a, an or the. For that reason, you should know some rules. And today I'll discuss some rules here. Rule 1. Gap plus vowel adding word. Gap plus vowel adding word equal an. Dear students, you know, in English letter or in English alphabet there are 26 letters. Among them 5 letters are vowel. They are A, E, I, O, U, and 2 letters are semi-vowel, and another 19 letters are consonant, isn't it? Yes. So here, if you find gap before any vowel adding word, then you will use an. Okay. Example: He has bought dash egg from the market. He has bought dash egg from the market. Here gap plus vowel adding word. That's why you should use here an. Okay, here is the rules. Gap plus vowel adding word equal an. Clear? Next, here some next go to the rules number 2. Here gap plus SO adding word, where the pronunciation of S will silent or will be silent. Here you should use an. Okay, example, he is dash honest man. Here SO adding word, SO adding word. Here S is consonant, but here this consonant sound will remain silent. That's why here we will pronounce O, O, and this O is vowel. Here honest man. So here will be an. Okay, he is an honest man. Next, rule number 3. Gap plus EU or EU. If EU and U pronounce like EU, then you have to use a in this gap. Example, he is dash EUROPEAN, European. He is dash European. Here EU, these two letters together make pronounce like a vowel U. Okay, that's why you should use here a instead of an. N will not be perfect for this place. That's why you should use a. Clear? Another example, my elder brother is dash university student. Here my elder brother is dash university student. Here you has pronounced like you. Okay, that's why you should write here a instead of an. Here an is not perfect for this place, so here will be a. Dear students, you know after gap, if you find vowel adding word, then you should use an. And if you find vowel adding word but the pronounce of them is like you, then you should use a instead of an. Okay, next go to the rule number 4. Here gap plus O adding word. O adding word, just like one. If this O pronounced like wow, wa, then we have to use a instead of an. Okay, example, I have seen dash one-eyed man. Here o has been pronounced like wa. That's why you have to use here a instead of an. Okay, next go to the rule number 5. Gap plus consonant adding word. Gap plus consonant adding word. Or example, dear students, you know that gap plus consonant adding word equal a, or if you find gap before any word, the word that begins with consonant, then you have to write a instead of an. Example, he is a boy. He is a boy. Here gap, the noun boy has begun with the letter B. That's why you have to place here a instead of an, because gap plus consonant adding word equal a. Consonant adding word equal a. Here he is a boy. Dear students, I have discussed with you some criteria of articles, and in the next classes I will be appeared before you with another class. Till you will be well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.